Hey guys, guess what?
What?
Catholic Schools Week is coming up next week.
What's so important about Catholic Schools Week?
Catholic Schools Week is an annual celebration of Catholic education in the United States. It's every January.
It starts the weekend of the feast of St. Thomas Aquinas, a doctor of the Church, and the patron saint of education. During the week, we get to celebrate the amazing faith-based education we get at our Catholic school.
Here at St. Joseph, we kick off our Catholic Schools Week at 9:30 a.m. Mass at St. Joseph Church on Sunday, January 29th. We hope you can join us.
Following Mass, St. Joseph Catholic School is hosting an open house from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. and you're invited.
Our teachers and some of our students will be at school to meet you, and you'll be able to tour our classrooms, including our new library and discovery lab.
There will be games and prizes for the kids too, like a Where's St. Joseph scavenger hunt.
We're also going to be serving coffee and donuts in the Cougar Cafe.
Yum!
Mark your calendars to come visit us and discover why we love it here at St. Joseph Catholic School.
We'll see you there.